So what you doing, Randy?
Put a cab corner in.
Can't hear you.
Putting in a cab corner.
Putting in a cab corner?
The old one's a rusty. I thought you could get away with it, but can't.
You look a little frustrated.
Well, I got somebody bugging me to video.
And it's what? Heat index 104?
Yeah, something like that.
Something.
Not in shade, it's not. It's only about 100 in the shade. But there's a breeze.
I feel it. So what are you doing there? Did you do that?
Did I do what?
All of that? Did you make that?
No, I cut it off here.
Oh, I was going to say, that's pretty darn good.
This is a patch panel. I could make it, but I figured it'd be easier. But spend 20 bucks on that.
So a patch panel, you buy it like that, and then you mold it or whatever to make it fit?
Just trim it however I want it.
Huh.
To go in there.
I didn't know you could do that.
Did you get a video of the rest? I got the dashboard welded back in. Floor's all painted.
So this is the final color for the floor, or final
For the floor,
paint?
yeah. But for in the cab, it's going to be a turquoise.
Sweet. Sweet.
And it's just a matter of making this fit in there properly. And I got to trim it all up. So
I thought you just did trim it all up.
no. Like I got to trim the edges so it fits.
Oh, trim the edges, okay.
But this is an aftermarket patch panel, and they usually don't fit for crap. No matter where you get them, they don't fit. You gotta make them fit.
That looks good.
That's fair. I gotta do some more trim down here.
Where? Oh, I didn't have the...
This is too thick yet.
Oh, yeah.
Pushing it up.
And make that noise that that guy said his wife doesn't like.
Yeah. Music.
He thinks it's music, and she, I don't know what she thinks. She's going to the dentist.
Maybe by grinding this instead of this thing. You don't know where it went. I think it's up here, isn't it? Every little bit is progress.
Yeah, but it's hot out here.
Yeah. You start sweating.
Huh?
It's hot till you start sweating. And
Well,
you feel that breeze.
I don't want to sweat anymore.
We'll be about done shortly too, because I'm getting thirsty. Let's see if we can fit in
I think FedEx is coming.
there. Here?
Yeah, I got one more thing that I ordered.
You're here now?
I don't know. I thought I heard a car coming out. I should have brought it with my water gun. So,
Let's go with the FedEx guy.
no. The FedEx guy brought my water gun this morning, but I'm expecting some Post-its.
You expecting some what?
Post-its.
Post-its?
For work.
No. Throw Post-its at the squirrels.
No.
funny. Put some contact cement on the tree or something. Watch the squirrels get stuck to the tree.
Well, that would be mean.
It'd be funny.
No, it wouldn't.
Yeah, it would. Bend this over a little bit more. Trim that edge. That's a little bit. This is still too thick right here. Grind, grind, grind. Ouch, it's hot too. There we go.
So what are you looking for? Why do you say that's good?
Get that matched up correct.
Where?
Right here. And this naturally falls into place down here then. It's about time for a drink of water.
Okie dokie. It's enough for now. Say ciao.
Chow?
I don't know.
Not time for chow, it's time for drinking.
Oh, Lordy.